Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. This gon' be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, I ain't gonna even hold you sis. This company is fastly becoming one of my favorite companies. Like, this is only my second unit, my second time working with this company, but they coming through. But let me go ahead and give you guys the details and specs before I get into all of my shenanigans. Okay, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Megalook. Shout out to you, Megalook, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly, truly do appreciate it. This may be one of my last blonde wigs. You guys know we are getting into the fall, and you guys know I be wearing the dark looks in the fall and the winter. But I mean, you know, I change things up a little bit in the spring and summer, so I may change things up. But right now, this is probably gonna be one of my last blonde wigs. Okay, so this unit is Megalook New Arrival Barbie blonde wig with brown highlights. The number is P10/613. This unit comes in both a straight unit and a body wave wig, and it is a 13x4 lace front wig. So you can get it in a 13x4 body wave like I have, or you can do the 13x4 straight. Just depends on what you want, sis. Now this unit comes in 10 to 30 inches. They did decide to send me 26 inches. Y'all, I've been coming through with the inches. You got to give it to me. Okay, lately I've been doing the inches, girl. Okay, I have been coming through with it. So it says this unit is 100% human hair from one donor. It is 180% density. It's transparent HD lace. It can be dyed. Yes, it says yes, lasts for 1 more year. Hairline, pre-plucked natural hairline, 4 combs inside. There are no combs in this wig, so I want to go ahead and point that out. There are no combs in this wig. I think that's just like something that they're used to like putting, but mine ain't have no combs. Okay. It's an average cap size, and it says returns except 30-day no reason return in exchange with hair not being used. So basically their return policy is if you get the hair and you ain't tried to put it in your head or none of that stuff, like you ain't got to explain nothing, you will get your money back after 30 days. So I want to throw that out there as well. So those are all the details and specs that I see about this unit. Now, let me give you guys my details and specs. Now, I did not bleach this wig. I did not tweeze, old girl. I barely curled, old girl, okay? I did curl the front little areas right here. I didn't even layer it. So really, this unit woke up like this, okay? She woke up like this. Like how you see her is how old girl came, okay? Other than me cutting the lace and applying my bronzer underneath and my little Kat Von D powder on up here. That's it. That's it. That's all. Oh, girl didn't come to play. Okay, so they definitely came through with that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys look at this hairline, because honestly I feel like the hairline is hairlining. Okay, I feel like the hairline is hairlining. I feel like the lace is lacing. Okay, they definitely came through with that as well as the layers in this unit, because that is one of the reasons I did not have to apply layers. I did think about cutting them a little short, and I was like, girl, no, just rock it. Just rock it like it is. Now, this unit did not come with any combs whatsoever. It did come with one of those elastic bands, but it did not have any combs in my unit. But it did come with combs you can attach. Let me grab those. So I love that. I love, like, you may not, you know, put them in there, but it did come with some combs. Okay, and it also came with some tape. So it came with tape, and it did come with combs if you want to put them on there. Obviously I did not, but you can if you want to. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, y'all, oddly enough, I have not experienced it. Now, if I get a 613 unit, I expect there to be some shedding. But old girl is doing none of the ting strap, the packaging. Okay, that's not to say old girl won't at some point. Just that old girl is doing none of the ting strap, the packaging. Okay, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I feel like it's extremely big head friendly. Like, it's very big head friendly in my opinion. I think you can make it work if you do have a smaller cap size, but it does lean more so towards the medium to large head friendly side than not. So just bear that in mind. But I only have the head that is on my shoulder, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Take that with a grain of salt, because I do wear an average cap size. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so you guys know I like to start with the cons, because I like to end on a high note. My con with this wig is going to be, obviously, that is a 13x4. That is like my standard go-to con. If I feel like a unit is bomb, usually I can use that as my con. That's the only one I can think of. So girl, yeah, moving on. Now my pros, honey, I love this hairline. I love that I didn't have to bleach, old girl. Y'all cannot tell me this color is not everything, because it is everything. Okay, I love this color. I love the texture. I love the way the hair feels. I love the way the hair was layered. Like, to me, the pros with this wig is absolutely endless. Once again, Megalook came through with the come through. Okay, I'm probably, listen, y'all, you competing with some of my face. You competing with some of my face. The pros are endless. Obviously, I would recommend this wig, girl. Did you not just see how I acted when I was talking about the pros? Moving on. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, y'all, this unit is everything, okay? Everything. Like, this is gonna be, it's Thursday here. This is gonna be, I'm wearing this hair all weekend, okay? I'm gonna be like, babe, take the doggone doors out the Jeep and I'm gonna be like, oh boy, in that video singing 24K. I'll be like, in this hair. I kid you not. I kid you not. Chrissy, insert clip. Insert clip. That's gonna be me. Okay, that's gonna be me this weekend. Anyways, y'all, shout out to you once again, Megalook, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. If you guys have any questions, don't you feel like I may have left out, sound off down below in the comments. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style.